everybody, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, and most of you don't because this is my first video, I am Jason and I currently live in New York. I am originally from California. This channel, I'm hoping to make it, yes, another makeup cosmetic channel, but from the point of view of somebody who has absolutely no experience, except for the occasional bad drag Halloween makeup. Just a little bit about me. I was a former teacher. I am now currently in school studying acupuncture. I've always been interested in the medical field. I actually was a medical assistant for many years. But I have always had kind of a fascination with makeup. I have a theater background, so I figured why not? I'm 46 years old, you know. Anyway, this video I'm basically just gonna do a quick unboxing. You know, I needed to get my first video out of the way. Let's go ahead and start that. It's gonna be a very short video, but I hope that you guys will watch the video. I hope that you'll continue to watch my videos as I kind of go along my this new journey of mine. I plan to do some unboxing videos, and then I also plan to do some videos where I am applying makeup to myself, and that should be fun because I am blind out of my left eye, so it's going to be interesting to try to apply the makeup and see how successful I am or how successful I am not, just by watching the different techniques that I've learned by the different influencers here on YouTube and Instagram and everything like that. So let's go ahead. Actually, before we do that, I just want to say a couple, I want to give a couple shout outs. First of all, I want to thank my friend Dee Sparta with the NB Network. She is a friend of mine from my hometown back in California, and she has been so helpful. I can go to her with any question and she's always there to answer them as best she can. So do me a favor and turn into her station. She's such a cool person and she's very entertaining, so I think you'll enjoy her videos. I also wanted to say that I've really found Robert Welsh's videos very informative, so I'm hoping to apply the techniques that I've learned by watching his videos. He's one that I've watched that I've found very informative. I enjoy watching his videos. I'm glad he's not into all the drama that I've kind of seen lately. I'm too old for that. Another person that I've watched that I really enjoy her videos is Just Anne. So if you want to tune into her, she's great. I really am entertained by her videos. I don't know either of these two people personally. I've only watched their videos. Dee, I do know personally. So I just wanted to give those shout outs first before we do this. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this is my second Boxy. BoxyCharm is a monthly cosmetic subscription box. The box that I get is just the base Boxy right now, which I will put the information in this video, but I believe it's $25 a month for 5 full-size products. This is only the second month that I've gotten Boxy, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what I got now. This is the Boxy. This definitely doesn't feel as full as last month's box was, so this is kind of what the inside looks like. The nice thing about Boxy is they always include a card And on the back of the card, they include the items that you get and the prices. So that's a good thing. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to pull out the items and then look up on the card. At the very end of the video, I'll put what the items cost and then the value of the whole box. But I did say that they are supposed to have 5 full products in their box. There are 5 products listed on the card. I don't know how well you can see this, but there are not 5 products in the box. So, anyway, so let's review the 3 that I've got in this box. This first one, and I'm going to do the best I can reading without my glasses. This is Traystique, and I'm going to butcher all these pronunciations because, like I said, I'm brand new to this community, and I'll get better as time goes on. Traystique, Summer Glow Plus Go, Mini Summer Essential Set. So these look like little pencils. I will put the information for this product in the video at the end. I don't know if I would use something like this. I'll try it. And just so you know, my next video, I'm planning on basically just going through everything that I've got to this point as a newbie. I think I might have a little bit more than some people just starting off, but who knows? You can let me know later. Anyway, I babble a lot, and I apologize for that. And sometimes when I'm nervous, I tell cheesy jokes. So I'm just warning you ahead of time. Anyway, this is Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Okay. Again, I don't know if I'll use a bronzer. Watching the videos, I think it's kind of an important part of makeup application. I'm not planning on doing like glamour beauty makeup on myself, but I may do it from time to time as a video just for fun, but not on a regular basis. Let's see what this... Alright, so I can't even... That's how new I am. I can't even open a bronzer case. Ah, there we go. Okay. I couldn't tell you much about the color of that. We'll see how it looks on my face. I'm looking forward to and not looking forward to that video where I actually apply all this for the first time. Clown realness is not my look, so sorry, that's one of those cheesy jokes. Let's see here. So that's the bronzer, we've got the pencils, and then we've got this Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer from Elizabeth Mott. So this I will use. I think I have a couple primers, but through watching other videos, I kind of learned how important primer can be. So I will try this. That's it. That was my BoxyCharm base for this month. Now, in all fairness, I did open the box earlier, so I did know that I was getting I only got the 3 items, and I have emailed Boxy. They are looking into what happened, but I have not heard back from them yet. So I will let you know if they fix this, but they have been notified and they have responded back saying that they're looking into it, so I want to give them a chance. I also subscribe to Ipsy monthly box, which when I get my Ipsy bag, I will do an unboxing of that as well. and I may even do like an Ipsy versus Boxy. I have to say that I thought that I would be okay with just getting like one subscription box a month. This is addicting. I have BoxyCharm, I've got Ipsy, there's a Korean cosmetic subscription box, I think called No Make No Life, which I will be getting. I haven't gotten any boxes from them yet. And I'm looking into others. I'm trying not to go crazy because, hello, we're still in pandemic, and I didn't let you know this before, but while I'm going to school to study acupuncture, I work in the Broadway theaters. And with this pandemic going on, the theaters aren't open, so I'm not working. So I kind of need to reel it in a little bit with these subscription boxes. But like I said, it's hard, they're addicting. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I just, like I said, wanted to get this first video out of the way. I'm extremely nervous, if you guys can't tell. Like I said, hence the cheesy jokes. But I hope that you at least found it slightly interesting and that you would at least tune into my next video. My next video, like I said, will be on the cosmetics that I currently have. Keeping in mind, I do not use any products so far on my face. Like, this is fresh out of the shower, nothing. I just shaved this morning, showered, and that's it. So that video will come, and then my video after that, I plan on it being the first video where I actually apply a full face, hopefully everyday type look, and see how that goes. So I will put the information at the end of this video on the prices of those products, and I'll keep you updated on whether BoxyCharm fixed their mistake. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe and staying in good spirits, and I'll see you in my next video.